Orion is one of the most prominent and easily recognizable constellations in the night sky. It's located on the celestial equator and can be seen from both the northern and southern hemispheres. The distinct pattern of stars in Orion forms the shape of a mighty hunter, holding a club and a shield, with a bright belt of stars across his waist. The three bright stars in the middle of Orion's belt are called Alnitak, Alnilam, and Mintaka. These stars are not physically related, but they appear close to each other from our perspective on Earth, creating the illusion of a belt. Alnitak, the easternmost star of Orion's belt, is a hot blue supergiant with a temperature of over 30,000 degrees Celsius, 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Alnilam, the middle star, is a blue supergiant with a temperature of around 27,000 degrees Celsius, 48,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Mintaka, the westernmost star, is a blue giant with a temperature of approximately 12,000 degrees Celsius, 22,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature of a star is a crucial factor in determining its color and size. Hotter stars like Alnitak and Alnilam emit more blue light and appear blue-white, while cooler stars like Mintaka emit more red light and appear reddish in color. The temperatures of these stars have a significant impact on their properties, such as their size, luminosity, and lifespan. Astronomers have been studying Orion for centuries, using telescopes and other sophisticated tools to unlock its secrets. The unique combination of hot and cool stars in Orion makes it a fascinating laboratory for studying stellar evolution, star formation, and the life cycle of stars. By observing Orion, scientists can gain insights into the fundamental processes that govern the universe. But Orion isn't just a collection of stars in the night sky, it has a rich mythology and cultural significance in various civilizations throughout history. In Greek mythology, Orion was a mighty hunter and a son of Poseidon, according to the legend. Orion's boasting about his hunting skills led to his demise, as he was stung by a scorpion and placed among the stars by the gods. Similarly, in ancient Egyptian mythology, Orion was associated with the god Osiris, who was believed to be represented by the stars in the constellation. The rising of Orion's belt in the night sky was believed to mark the beginning of the Nile flood, an important event in Egyptian agriculture and culture. Orion's significance is not limited to Greek and Egyptian mythology. It has been revered in many other cultures as well, including Native American, Chinese, and Australian Aboriginal cultures, where it has been associated with various stories, legends, and spiritual beliefs. The enduring cultural significance of Orion speaks to the universal human fascination with the stars and the sense of wonder they evoke. In addition to its historical and cultural significance, Orion continues to be a fascinating object of scientific study. In recent years, astronomers have made significant discoveries related to Orion, shedding light on its formation, structure, and dynamics. For instance, through observations with powerful telescopes, scientists have found evidence of young stars forming within the Orion Nebula, a massive cloud of gas and dust located in Orion's sword. These findings have provided insights into the process of star formation and the early stages of stellar evolution. Moreover, recent studies have revealed that the stars in Orion are not just scattered randomly, but are part of a larger stellar association, known as the Orion OB1 Association. This association contains hundreds of stars, including massive ones that are hundreds of times more massive than the Sun, and has provided astronomers with valuable data for understanding the dynamics of stellar clusters and the evolution of massive stars. These and other discoveries related to Orion continue to deepen our understanding of the universe and the processes that govern the birth, life, and death of stars. It's truly a treasure trove of scientific knowledge and an endless source of inspiration for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Observing the constellation of Orion is a thrilling experience that can be done with the naked eye or with telescopes. Orion is visible in the night sky during the winter months in the northern hemisphere, typically from November to February. During this time, Orion rises in the east after sunset and sets in the west before sunrise, making it easy to spot in the late evening. Orion is located near the celestial equator, which is an imaginary line that runs across the sky. This means that Orion can be seen from many parts of the world. Find a location away from city lights, preferably in a dark and open area, for the best viewing experience. You can observe Orion with the naked eye by simply looking up at the night sky and identifying its distinctive shape. Take note of the bright stars that form Orion's belt and its shoulders and feet, as well as the fainter stars that make up the rest of the constellation. If you have a telescope, you can get a closer look at Orion and its features. A telescope will reveal more details, such as the nebulae and star clusters associated with Orion, which are not visible with the naked eye.